Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're gonna show you how to install your earpads for the Sennheiser HD820s. The first step is to remove your old earpads. Carefully pull your old earpads away from the ear cup. The next step is to attach your new Dekoni audio earpads. Since both earpads are symmetrical in design, there is no need to differentiate which one you grab. Line up the stitching of the pad with the right or left indicator of the ear cup, then gently press the pad in. Make sure you press around the entire earpad to make sure it is properly sealed in the ear cup. Repeat once more for the other ear cup. It's time to embark in the pursuit of perfect sound with your new Dekoni audio earpads for the Sennheiser HD820s.